Welcome back to our channel Tomorrow's Investing with another video in our Unlocking series where we dive into the competitors, clients, and suppliers of technology companies. Don't forget to check out our Unlocking playlist, but for now, let's get started on AMD. In the fast-paced semiconductor industry, AMD faces fierce competition. Let's take a closer look at 5 of its most notable competitors. Intel. Intel is AMD's long-standing arch-rival. These two industry giants have been competing for decades, driving innovation in computing and graphics technologies. Intel's flagship Core series processors and Xeon server CPUs often go head-to-head with AMD's Ryzen and EPYC processors. The competition between Intel and AMD has led to exciting advancements, such as multi-core processors, improved energy efficiency, and more powerful integrated graphics. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is another significant player in the semiconductor space. While AMD focuses on CPUs and GPUs, NVIDIA is known for its cutting-edge graphics processing units, GPUs, and AI technologies. AMD's Radeon graphics cards and NVIDIA's GeForce graphics cards are popular choices for gaming enthusiasts, and the rivalry between the two companies drives constant improvements in gaming performance and visual fidelity. Qualcomm. Qualcomm dominates the mobile chipset market. Their Snapdragon series processors power many smartphones and tablets globally, directly competing with AMD's Ryzen mobile processors and Radeon graphics solutions. While AMD's Ryzen processors excel in laptops and embedded devices, Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors focus on delivering optimal performance and energy efficiency for mobile devices, creating a competitive landscape in the mobile computing space. Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electronics is not only a major competitor to AMD but also a strategic partner. Samsung's semiconductor division competes with AMD in various markets, including memory and storage solutions. Samsung's Exynos processors are used in some of its smartphones, while AMD's Ryzen processors power a range of laptops and desktops. Despite competition, Samsung also collaborates with AMD to manufacture AMD's Radeon graphics cards, leveraging Samsung's advanced semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC is the world's largest semiconductor foundry, providing advanced manufacturing processes to various chip designers, including AMD. While not a direct competitor, TSMC plays a critical role in AMD's success. They manufacture AMD's Ryzen and EPYC processors using advanced nodes, enabling AMD to offer high-performance chips to the market. Beyond competition, AMD has an extensive list of clients from various industries. Here are 5 of its notable clients. Microsoft. Microsoft is one of AMD's most prominent clients. Their collaboration is most evident in the gaming space, where AMD provides custom processors for Microsoft's Xbox gaming consoles. With AMD's technology powering the Xbox consoles, gamers enjoy high-quality graphics, smooth gameplay, and immersive experiences. Apple. Apple is synonymous with innovation in consumer electronics. While Apple designs its custom processors for iPhones and iPads, they have also incorporated AMD's high-performance processors in select Mac models. AMD's processors in certain Mac models provide a powerful computing experience, especially for creative professionals and content creators. Lenovo. Lenovo is one of the world's leading PC manufacturers. Their collaboration with AMD ensures that consumers have access to a diverse range of laptops and desktops powered by AMD processors. AMD's processors provide an excellent balance of performance and affordability, making them a popular choice in Lenovo's product lineup. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Hewlett-Packard specializes in enterprise solutions. They partner with AMD to provide high-performance server solutions that cater to the data processing needs of businesses and organizations. AMD's EPYC processors offer exceptional performance, scalability, and security for HPE's server offerings, ensuring businesses can efficiently process and manage vast amounts of data. Dell. Dell Technologies is a prominent computer manufacturer offering a diverse range of products. AMD's processors are featured in select Dell systems, giving customers the option to choose systems with varying levels of performance. Whether it's for home use, business productivity, or content creation, Dell offers a wide array of devices powered by AMD's processors to cater to different user needs. Let's move on to our last segment, AMD's suppliers. AMD's supply chain is essential to its success, and it relies on various suppliers to produce cutting-edge semiconductor products. Here are 5 of its suppliers. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. TSMC, as mentioned earlier, is a crucial supplier to AMD. Their advanced manufacturing processes play a vital role in enabling AMD to design and produce high-performance processors and graphics chips. TSMC's state-of-the-art facilities and expertise in advanced nodes ensure that AMD's processors meet the demands of modern computing and gaming. Applied Materials. Applied Materials is a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing equipment. They supply AMD with critical tools and technologies that enhance the fabrication process, ensuring the quality and reliability of AMD's semiconductor products. Applied Materials' cutting-edge equipment enables AMD to manufacture chips with precise dimensions and optimal performance characteristics. Lam Research. Lam Research specializes in providing wafer fabrication equipment and services. AMD relies on Lam Research's advanced tools and technologies to optimize the manufacturing of its state-of-the-art semiconductor devices. Lam Research's etching and cleaning equipment play a critical role in defining the intricate patterns on semiconductor wafers, which are essential for creating high-performance chips. KLA Corporation. KLA Corporation is a leading supplier of metrology and inspection systems. Their technologies allow AMD to perform critical quality checks during the semiconductor manufacturing process, ensuring the chips meet high industry standards. KLA's advanced metrology tools detect defects and inconsistencies in the manufacturing process, ensuring that only the highest quality chips make it into AMD's products. Tokyo Electron. Tokyo Electron is a prominent supplier of semiconductor production equipment. AMD relies on their cutting-edge tools and technologies to manufacture advanced semiconductor devices with precision and efficiency. Tokyo Electron's deposition equipment plays a crucial role in depositing thin films on semiconductor wafers, a vital step in the chip manufacturing process. And that brings us to the end of our comprehensive overview of AMD's competitors, clients, and suppliers. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you back in our next unlocking video where we will dive into Tesla. If you want to stay up to date and understand more about the business of these companies, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on our logo below. As well, don't forget to look into our company-specific playlists to understand more on the companies before making your investment decision.